I don't need to use multiple softwares for the different things that I would need for my job as a financial manager. We use the QuickBooks integration with Houzz Pro, and it makes the whole thing very streamlined where any invoice that I create automatically syncs over to QuickBooks. Any payments that come in, those also sync over to QuickBooks. And then anytime we receive a deposit in the bank, Houzz Pro will send me an email of what payments were included in that deposit. So it makes it really easy to compare the two in terms of financial management.
Being able to go into Houzz, manage your projects, use all the wonderful features that Houzz Pro has for designers, and then have that all just automatically flow into QuickBooks is great. You handle your overhead on payroll, those types of transactions on the QuickBooks side. Having a seamless integration where everything flows over, it makes it so much easier for you to manage your projects, manage your business.
It is a one-way sync, so everything must originate in Houzz Pro, and then it filters over into QuickBooks Online. The goal is that you really want to leverage both systems to your advantage to make sure that you're filing the right sales tax amount and that your financial records match in both systems.
I just really love Houzz because it gives you that purchase order capability, and I haven't seen another software that allows for that. And Houzz is always improving and listening. Other softwares don't work well with purchase orders. Some softwares are more focused on design only and doesn't really help on the accounting side. I've started to only work with clients if they're working in Houzz.
If retainers are not recorded properly, you could end up spending thousands of dollars in taxes. So finding a bookkeeper and accountant who know your industry, know the ins and outs and the timing, but also your project management system. So if you're using Houzz and QuickBooks and that integration, you want your bookkeeper to understand the software that you're using.
Houzz Pro is designed to where you could collect a large retainer for product and then apply that retainer to proposals as you're specifying those items.
Thank you, Houzz Pro. I love your retainer request and how you can do it within the software. It's super easy to use. I think that's a real benefit. You don't see that in a lot of other project management software. So I love that Houzz Pro has that feature. I love how Houzz Pro has set up their platform to align with industry best practices to make sure that you're not paying your vendor liabilities before you collect from your client. Make sure that you're not fronting sales tax before your client pays an invoice. So there's certain things and certain restrictions and processes you can set up in Houzz Pro to make that really easy and error-proof on your team.